This stinking watermelon. This is the same one that caused the potential freak show yesterday. The leaking electrical sounding watermelon. I meant to clean this up yesterday. I was just going to chuck it outside. And in typical fashion, I forgot and just didn't do it. I came home today and I noticed that it has flooded my counter. Yeah, I guess you can see on the video. There's like a pool of green slime that is going here, and it's all the way down there. And I'm sure it's going to be all sticky and gross. So now I got to clean that up. And if that's not bad enough, I had 3 kiwis sitting over here, and the juice got all into the kiwis and caused them to shrivel up and get ruined. And I had a potato sitting over there, which also now shriveled up and got ruined. I've never been like angry at a piece of fruit before, but I'm pretty ticked off at this watermelon. This is really causing some damage. This is ridiculous. I did not realize the extent of damage that we have here. This is sticky. It flooded all the way past up to the fan. I don't think it got on the fan, but I had a document here. The document was stuck, and that's all gross. Unfortunately, this was just like an old list or something. I don't need it, but I mean, this is all stick. This key is stuck, and oh my gosh, I'm furious. This is ridiculous. I've gone through 3 towels. I'm gonna have to wash a whole stinking load of towels tonight because it's gonna take half of my laundry bucket to clean this up. This is nuts. I'm furious. Absolutely furious. I've been going at this for over 20 minutes now. I've gone through 7 towels, just scrubbing and scrubbing. It's still coming up green, and it's still sticky. What the heck is in that watermelon? I've never seen anything like this before. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's like that stupid melon was made of super glue, and it just leaked all over. It's all the way down. I mean, the melon was still pretty heavy. It didn't leak everything it's got inside of it. How much stinking sticky juice or whatever it is could possibly be in that thing? All right, I think we're finally making some progress, but now I'm concerned that it might be it doesn't feel too sticky. I'm concerned that it might have gone down the back of the wall here, and that's not good, because then it would get could get mold or who knows what. Oh man, this is so annoying. I cannot believe how much time that stupid melon has wasted, and I cannot believe how much panic that thing ensued the other day. I'm so mad. Alright, gotta clean the whole bottom of the microwave. It's all over the cord. It's all over the bottom of the fan. It ruined the potato. It ruined the kiwis. Not happy with that. That's ridiculous. How could a stupid melon do so much stinking damage? And it did it quick too. It only took like 12 hours to cause this mess. Oh, I can't believe this. This is just beyond comprehension. I had this was sitting here. This is all sticky and gross. I can't even. Just get in this bag. No, at least the bag seems clean. It's still all sticky right here. This is a joke. Look, listen. You can hear it. It's like thick. I almost feel like I could scrape it off with a razor blade. It's still not 100%, but it's enough that I can leave it like this and go to sleep. I didn't want to leave it like that all night, because who knows what kind of damage that could do to the surface of the counter. Well, that's good enough for tonight. I'll figure it out more tomorrow morning. Alright, I just got done cleaning this up. What a joke. It took me almost a half an hour to clean that off the counter. Get the microwave all cleaned up. The core was all sticky. What a joke. I've got the towels in the wash now. Outrageous. I have never been so angry at a piece of fruit before, but I am so mad at that stinking melon. I'm gonna chuck that thing out the window.